everyone, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my iPhone 7. It's finally arrived this morning and here is the box. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and let me see. Knife. I am so excited. This is iPhone 7 Plus. Oh, it's so easy to open. Okay. Alright, it's like this. Okay, UPS just delivered this iPhone 7 to me this morning. I guess this package directly came from China. So the tracking was from China to Korea to Hong Kong to Alaska to Kentucky and finally arrived in Texas. So yeah, continue my unboxing. All right. So here it is. Oh my god. This is the 128 gigabyte version, and right here at the back. I know there are a lot of unboxing video out there, but I just want to make an unboxing video of my very own iPhone 7 Plus for my viewers, and I think it's very easy to open because I already watched so many unboxing from other people. So yeah, and I make sure I wash my hands before I do this. So all right, and as you can see, this is the cover of the phone. It's not really the phone, but yeah. Do this, put this here and this, and I'm just yeah. This is the booklet, okay, and Apple stickers and letter, welcome to iPhone. All right, so I'm gonna put it back. And the color I order is matte black. So, wow, look at this. My goodness. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. And, oops. Okay. Wow. My goodness, so beautiful. And I don't have a case yet. My case still on the way here. I ordered it already, but that's the charging cube. And this is the headphone with the lightning plug. And this is the wires. And let me see. That's it. That's all. So let me put it back in. Yeah, so because I need to transfer a lot of stuff, different application to this new iPhone, so I still need to kind of figure out how to do it. Let me just open this. Okay, I really don't want to open it because I don't want to dirty it, but okay, let's do this. This a piece of film. Oh my god! I just opened it. Okay. So beautiful, so beautiful. I mean, I'm using my iPhone 6 Plus to record this video, so I can really do a side by side. But yeah, I'm going to attach some video, a few photos in the end of this video so you can see the side by side. I already see my fingerprint. The back has this huge dual camera. Next to it is the flash, and yeah, because such a beautiful phone, and you can see my fingerprint already on this matte black, but I really need to have a cover, seriously. I can't wait to receive that cover, so maybe I'll just go ahead, yeah, go ahead buy one. This is so beautiful. It's a closer look. And let me turn it on. I think that's the button. Turn it on. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go set up my new phone now. So this is just an unboxing of my new iPhone 7 Plus. I hope everybody's happy for me. I just can't wait to use this baby. And maybe next time I can use this phone to record 4K video for everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.